This is creating a PowerView dashboard. In order to do this, we're going to start with our data. It's in a table, and this data is in regards to book sales. First thing we need to do is go to Insert, PowerView, and a blank canvas will come up in the middle of the page, and our PowerView fields will show up on the right hand side. And in order to start, we need to choose some fields. We're going to look at region and revenue. You'll see that it'll come down into the fields box, and it will also automatically show up in your canvas. At this point, you can change your data ascending or descending, and then you can go up on the Design tab and choose Switch Visualization, and you can choose which type of chart you would like your visual representation to be. For this example, we're going to choose Stacked Bar. You can grab a handle, make it bigger, smaller, whatever you need to do, and now we have a visual representation of revenue by region. Now we can also go back over to our fields and add state and city to our axis, and now we can drill down on our data. So if we were to choose the plains, we can double click and we now can see the states, and then we can choose a state and double click, and we can now see the cities that are included in that data. If we want to start a new table, we can, let's look at products category. We just drag it on to our canvas. Let's look at the revenue by products category. We just drag them together. Our data is there. We can now go up and choose a chart. Choose a stacked bar again. Now we can go in and add slicers to this data. We can do that in a few different ways. We can, let's look at quarters. You can drag it on to your page, click on Slicer. We can now look at the different quarters, and this will be attached to both of our tables, as you can see. And there's an eraser to erase that and start over. Let's cut that, and let's click on our revenue by category, and now let's go back to quarter, but let's put it in our tile by box. You'll see that we now have our slicer across the top of our table, and we can choose which quarter we would like to look at. So those are a few things that we can do with PowerView Dashboard.